I saved $1,500 fixing my TV. You will not believe what happened next. Let me know in the comments if you have a broken TV. I work on TVs every day, so when I saw this Samsung that was restarting over and over again, I knew I had to open it up. I started by using a Samsung trick. Unplug the main to test just the backlight circuit. And just as I expected, the backlight is the problem. Turns out we have a lot of boards with the same problem. So I took a working power board, plugged it in, and put it all back together. And that's how